Sony's PS5 has been a breakout success after its launch, mostly because of its raw power in gaming. However, its usable 667 GB of storage isn't enough for most gamers. Luckily, from September 15, PS5's extra M.2 storage is open for business. But before you go and buy an extra storage, you have to make sure it's compatible with the PS5. That's why in today's video, we're going to showcase 5 of the best NVMe SSD that are guaranteed and tested to work with your PS5.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the crucial P5 Plus, an affordable Gen 4 NVMe SSD which you can use to expand your PS5 storage space. With a sequential read speed up to 6,600 MB per second, this SSD is 1,100 MB faster than PS5's own built-in storage option. The write speed is no slouch either. Reaching up to 5,000 MB per second, it can keep up with most of its competitors without breaking a sweat. With up to 2 TB of storage capacity, it gives you enough room to store your favorite titles without worrying about filling the storage quickly. Designed in an M.2 2280 slim form factor, you can easily place it onto your PS5 with no additional parts required. But keep in mind that this doesn't come with a built-in heatsink, so you'll need to look for an aftermarket solution for this SSD. Overall, for the price, it does offer a lot. And if you're looking for an affordable solution to boost your PS5 storage, we highly recommend the crucial P5 Plus for you. Next up at number 4, we have the 980 Pro from Samsung, a company well known for making some of the best storage drives available in the market. Being an M.2 SSD, it has a 2280 form factor that you can seamlessly plug into your PS5 without added bells and whistles. In terms of performance, it can deliver you read speeds up to 7,000 MB per second and write speeds up to 5,100 MB per second, making it 2 times faster than the previous PCI Gen 3. The capacity availability of this SSD ranges from 250 GB to up to 2 TB, giving you a handful of options to choose from according to your needs. Just like the crucial P5 Plus, it doesn't include a heatsink, which means you have to look for an aftermarket heatsink to keep its operating temperature manageable. So if you're okay with that, the Samsung 980 Pro can be an excellent choice for you. At number 3, we have the Aorus 7000S from Gigabyte, and unlike the first 2 options, it includes a heatsink and works with the PS5 right out of the box. This M.2 SSD is capable of cranking the read and write speed to a maximum of 7,000 MB per second and 6,850 MB per second to give you a smooth, responsive, and powerful gaming experience. It utilizes a PCI Gen 4 interface to further enhance the speed and present you with optimized and stable storage performance. As for the storage, it offers you up to 2 TB of storage to meet your storage demand gracefully. Thanks to its superior thermal design, you'll never see any throttle even under hours of long gaming sessions. All in all, if you're looking for an NVMe SSD that does include a heatsink and works out of the box, the Gigabyte Aorus 7000S is an ideal choice for you. Coming at number 2, we have the Seagate Farcuda 530, another high-performance Gen 4 NVMe SSD that has the highest read speed in this listing. things get really hasty with this M.2 SSD, as it cranks up the read speed to a maximum of 7,300 megabytes per second, and the write speed to a whopping 6,900 megabytes per second for a faster game install and boot times. Storage availability ranges from 500 GB to up to 4 terabytes. That gives you a handful of options to choose from according to your needs. Partnered with EKWB, which is well known for making liquid coolers, the built-in heatsink of this SSD helps to minimize thermal throttle, while maximizing the performance even in peak performance. In short, if you're looking for a high-performance NVMe SSD for your PS5, the Seagate Barracuda 530 is less likely to disappoint you. Finally, at number 1, we have the WD Black SN850 that comes with a robust design and is overall the best NVMe SSD for PS5 in today's listing. Designed with an M.2 2280 slim, light, and compact form factor, it can be installed easily inside your PS5's expansion slot. It offers a whopping fast 5,300 megabytes per second sequential write speed and 7,000 megabytes per second read speed that exceed the required read speed Sony has mentioned for the PS5. This ensures you'll never have to worry about running into game load times. With up to 2 terabytes of capacity, it gives you the space to store your favorite games, while still having room for the next big title. Furthermore, this NVMe SSD comes with a pre-installed heatsink to make sure your gaming PC doesn't bottom out when you're at the top of your game. Considering all of these, there's no denying that the WD SN850 is the best NVMe SSD that you can buy right now for your PS5. So that was all about the top 5 best NVMe SSD for PS5. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.